ChatGPT now available on WhatsApp, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to today's exciting tutorial. Imagine having ChatGPT, the world's leading AI chatbot, right at your fingertips on WhatsApp. Well, now it's possible. OpenAI has made it easier than ever to interact with ChatGPT via WhatsApp or even through a phone call. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started, step by step. Stay tuned and let's dive right in. Section 1. What's new? OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, has recently integrated ChatGPT into Meta's WhatsApp platform. As part of their 12 Days of OpenAI announcements, they revealed that users in supported countries, including the US and Canada, can now connect with ChatGPT without needing a separate app or account. You can either dial 1-800-CHAT-GPT, that's 1-800-242-8478, to call ChatGPT or message ChatGPT on WhatsApp using the same number. 1-800-242-8478. Alternatively, you can scan a QR code provided on OpenAI's support page to initiate the chat instantly. Isn't that cool? Section 2. Getting started with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Here's how you can set it up on your phone right now. First, open your phone's Contacts app and save the number plus 1-800-242-8478 as ChatGPT. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone. In the search bar, type ChatGPT or whatever name you saved the contact under. Voila! You should see ChatGPT as a discoverable business account. It's verified, so you know it's authentic. To start the conversation, send ChatGPT a message. For example, "Hi, ChatGPT, can you share a motivational quote with me?" Within seconds, you'll get a response. You can also ask for suggestions or seek advice. For instance, try asking ChatGPT for suggestions on starting a business in fishing or anything else you're curious about. ChatGPT's detailed and insightful responses will amaze you. Now it's your turn. Follow along as I guide you in setting up ChatGPT on WhatsApp. If you've already done so, leave a comment below and share your first interaction with ChatGPT. The link to OpenAI's support page and the QR code is in the comments section. I'm here to help you troubleshoot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. Until next time, happy chatting with ChatGPT. See you in the next video.